So my name is Fiona and we have a 6.51 kilowatt solar system. We have the Q-cell panels and the Fronius Primo inverter. We wanted to work out our energy consumption and we wanted to find out when the best time was to actually use the load of the energy that we were producing. It's more economical to actually use what the solar that you're actually producing rather than just sending it back to the grid. I like all of the analytics actually. I like to check the consumption versus the production, and it helps me work out exactly how much our bill will be as well. I also like to have a look and see how the solar system is actually working efficiently. So you can actually go in and have a look and see each individual string and see when it's peaking and when it's not. And I just find it genuinely interesting, to tell you the truth, yeah. It's very easy to navigate. You can use it from your phone, you can use it from your laptop, or you can have it on your PC. Having it on your phone is actually really mobile. Even if you're out and about, you can actually still access all the analytics. Oh, we've definitely saved quite a lot of money. I think in the last quarter we saved about $294, which we're really happy about. Previous quarter to that, I think we saved about $170. It's only been installed since late January. I think you need to look at the solar analytics, find a good retailer that's giving you a really good discount or at least a low usage rate. 5 out of 5, definitely. Jake is amazing, the whole team's amazing. We had a really good experience. I have to say though, there was a few hiccups with the installation, but Jake made it, he fixed everything for us. So it was really good.